So here is the kitty cat drama unfolding. Kitty caught the rat. Kitty is consuming the rat. Mittens is coming in for a closer look. She's stalking. She's staring. She's considering whether or not she dares to get too close to Kitty, who is enjoying her rat. And Chaco is making a stealthy move, pretending to be completely indifferent about the rat, but acknowledging that something smells yummy. A flick of the tail, and off we go. Once again, nothing to see here, ladies, huh? And then we have Thea Squirrel. Thea Squirrel, who is making her way onto the scene, sniffing something. Oh yes, that's where Kitty had placed the rat first. There must be some drops of rat scent there. Kitty being careful, making sure nobody else touches her rat. Chaco Kitty looking stately, once again trying her hardest to ignore that somebody is enjoying fresh rat and it's not her. Mittens trying hard to not let her feelings be hurt. Oh, here comes Thea Squirrel. Thea Squirrel, what are you up to? You better not try to take Kitty's rat. She's gonna get you. Ooh, Thea's making a move behind the tree. And so we are surrounded by cats. Thea, Chaco, and one cat with a rat in the middle. What is your game plan, ladies? What makes you think that you three monkeys that did not get up early enough to catch a rat are gonna get any bite of Kitty's prize? Y'all are wasting time. You should be out hunting.